Hey folks, let's talk about something that doesn't always make the headlines, but should. Subtitle F, additional investments in rural America. Sounds dry, right? But here's the deal. This is Congress trying to finally give rural communities the kind of support they've needed for years. So what's actually in it? Subtitle F is all about putting more money and resources into things like farming, energy, conservation, research, nutrition, and infrastructure. Basically, the stuff that keeps small towns and rural areas running. Let's break it down, plain and simple. First up, conservation programs. We're talking about more funding to protect farmland, water, forests, and wildlife. That means local farmers get help fighting off things like invasive hogs or keeping rivers clean for fishing and recreation. Flood prevention and public access to outdoor areas? Covered. Next, agricultural trade promotion. Starting in 2027, there's going to be $285 million a year to help American farmers sell their products around the world. That means better markets, more business for those small towns that rely on agriculture. Then, food assistance. Programs like the Emergency Food Assistance Program, or TFAP, are getting extended through 2031. That's huge for food banks and families who rely on extra help to get by. Agricultural research is getting a boost too. This covers everything from urban farming and tech for disabled farmers to scholarships at historically black colleges and research into fighting crop diseases. And let's not forget rural energy. More money for renewable energy and biofuels on farms, helping folks cut costs and move toward a cleaner future. Horticulture and organics, more support for pest control, data on organic crops and specialty produce like fruits and veggies. And finally, miscellaneous support. Disease prevention for livestock, help for sheep and cotton producers, and research into citrus diseases. Basically, a lot of the stuff that can make or break a farm. Now, what's actually changing? Before, a lot of these programs were underfunded, set to expire, or just plain overlooked. With Subtitle F, we're looking at billions in new investments through 2031, making sure these programs stay alive and can really make a difference. Of course, nothing's perfect. Critics say it's expensive, and there's always the risk of duplicating old programs if folks aren't careful. But for small farmers, ranchers, and rural students, this could be a game changer. Picture this: a small organic farm in Georgia finally being able to afford the tech needed for certification, or a Texas rancher actually getting the help needed to fight off wild hogs, or a student at a historically black college landing a scholarship and a chance to work in a state-of-the-art ag lab. So if you care about what's happening in rural America and how Congress is finally stepping up, do me a favor. Hit that share button, subscribe for more updates, and let's keep the conversation going on how we build a stronger, fairer future for everyone. Thanks for watching.